In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a red light ticket online in Washington, D.C. If you received a red light camera ticket and want to take care of it online, the process is fairly straightforward once you're on the correct government payment page. The main thing to remember is that you'll be using the DC Department of Motor Vehicles online ticket payment portal, specifically the section for parking and photo enforcement tickets. Start by opening the DC DMV online ticket payment portal in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Parking and Photo Enforcement Tickets. That is the section used for red light camera tickets, so make sure you choose that instead of any unrelated service. From there, you'll be asked to identify the citation. You can typically do that by entering your ticket number or in some cases your state license plate information. Take a moment to enter the details carefully, because even a small typo can prevent the system from finding your record. After entering the required information, continue through the prompts until your ticket appears on screen. Before you submit payment, it's a good idea to quickly review the amount due and confirm that all the ticket details match what you received. If everything looks correct, proceed to the payment section and enter your card information. The accepted card types include Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express, so you can use any of those to complete the transaction. Keep in mind that card payments include a 2.5% service fee, so the total charged may be slightly higher than the original fine amount. Also note that ACH or electronic check payments are temporarily unavailable, so a debit or credit card is the expected payment method when using the portal online. One very important warning: if you intend to contest or dispute the ticket, do not pay it online. Paying the fine is treated as an admission of responsibility, and it gives up your right to an administrative hearing. So only complete payment if you've decided not to challenge the citation. It's also important to act on time. In Washington, D.C., fines should be paid within 30 calendar days of the issue date. If you miss that deadline, an additional penalty equal to the original ticket amount may be added, which can significantly increase what you owe. If for some reason you can't use the website, there are other payment options available, including the DC DMV mobile app, payment by mail, payment in person, or payment by phone. Once you finish the online checkout, save or screenshot your confirmation for your records, and that's how to pay a red light ticket online in Washington, D.C.